Hey guys, Tyler from Paul the Plumber back again with another exciting install. Today we're wrapping up the install of this Rinnai wall hung high efficiency gas boiler. This customer's gone 13 years without a central heating system, and the existing heating system before this was steam. We came in, ripped out the old steam boiler, ripped out the oil tank, piped in a new gas line, built a wall, and hung this high efficiency boiler. And what this is going to do is save him tons of money. Not only is he heating with more cost-efficient propane and ditching the oil system, but now he's got a high-efficiency system that uses less fuel in the first place. Instead of cast iron steam-fed radiators in the rest of the house, now we ran all new hydronic baseboard all throughout the house. We left the steam radiators to keep the character of this old historic house, but now we have new baseboard with hydronic heat all throughout the house, which will give this guy a much better, more even heat throughout the house. And we also added a second zone on the second floor of the house to allow them to change temperatures throughout the house instead of just having the entire house be the temperature set on the first floor thermostat. That's going to allow these people to be much more comfortable and also save money, and that's what it's all about.